Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar Prajapati. First of all, thank you so much for your support and the love you have provided me on my YouTube channel as well as on my paid courses what I am giving you. Okay, so in this video we will talk about the courses which I have launched during my last 6 months, and many people have already bought those courses, and some new people, some new subscribers and followers are watching it and trying to purchase those courses. Okay, so since there is a festival, Diwali is going on in India, so I am providing a huge discount on every courses on available on my platform geekcoders.co.in. Okay, so in this video we'll see about the course curriculum, content, and everything about the courses, and I will also provide you the link of the courses as well as the promo code, because I have seen that many users does not see the promo code in their website due to some cache issue or maybe some XYZ issues. So I will provide you the link as well as I will provide you the promo code so that you just have to apply on when you buy the course. Okay, and the course validity is a lifetime, and maybe there are some courses which are not fully updated, so don't worry. I update the courses every week or every by week. Okay, so you do not need to worry about ki, hey Sagar, this course have contain only 6 hours of content, or let's say 10 hours content. Definitely you will be having more content in future, in near future, I would say. Okay, so do not worry, everything is available with you, and just focus on the learning path. And I hope that the guys who is watching this video and all have already taken my courses, they know the quality and the content what I have given in this courses. Cool, so chalo, let's get started. So you can, and this is my website, www.geekcoders.co.in. Okay, so here if you can see, we have multiple courses like build end-to-end data engineering, build a real-time data lake project, as well as then this is a combo package. So what does it mean, combo package? So this is a kind of membership I am providing you. Okay, and this course contain around 8 to 9 courses by end of this year. Currently currently in this course we are having around 6 to 7 paid courses, not free courses, I am saying paid courses only. And in future I will be including Snowflake, maybe Microsoft Fabric course, maybe Azure Synapse course, maybe it is not confirmed yet, but already this course having 5 to 6 courses present. Okay, and this is a kind of one-time payment, so you can just pay it, and then you do not need to pay any single amount on the 8 or 9 courses which I am going to include in this combo package. Okay, chalo. Then you can see our learners got a job in MNCs like Latent View, Fractal, Dolite, HCL, Tiger Analytics, Well Fargo. There are many, but I just use these company name because I know those guys personally who told me that because of these your courses and mentorship program I got this job. And so okay, now this is my achievement. So we already completed 2K happy learners in this portal, and more than 10 courses we have, 90% satisfaction, and 18K subscribers on my YouTube channel. It is close to 19K now. Yeah, okay, this is me, and this is testimonial. And you can also download my Android application from the Play Store. You can click here and you can get the the download page. These are all the FAQs, as well as these are the course feedback. So you can see Neha has provided me some feedback. This is 5-star, Rahul R 5-star, then Arushi Gupta 5-star, then Dipanjan Gola, this is also 5-star. Sandeep Kumar has provided me 4-star. So see, the course content is very good, I would say. You can also reach out to these guys over the LinkedIn or over the community channel if you already taken any free courses, and so you can ask them about the content of the courses. Cool. Now we'll see about the course one by one. So this is a important course, build end-to-end Azure data engineering project. Here you can see everything is mentioned over here. You do not need to ask me again and again, hey Saga, what is the content? And so first thing I'll just clear it. If you want to if you want to make project from my side, or my project, if you want to build it, 3 things are common, or the prerequisite things are SQL, basic Python, and basic Azure. Means what is Azure, what is Spark, what is big data, those stuff you should know. If you do not know, then I would recommend to go my free courses, YouTube classes, and so, and then take this course. Although you can take this course now, and the validity is lifetime, because I am running a discount. Okay, 30% discount is off. You can see over here that use discount code Diwali 30 and get up to 30% off. Now you can see all these chapters I have included. Let's say introduction and architecture, let's understand Azure resources, then data preparation, ingestion, cleaning, dimensions, publish the data, then set up complete ADF pipeline, send data files using Logic App, then PowerShell, then CI/CD pipelines, GitHub. Everything is available over here, even the Power BI also. Okay, you can also get the code at the last, and if you want to check out this video in deep, then you can click over here and you will get the detailed picture of this course. Okay, this is one course. This is very important course, and if you know already everything, and if you want to build a project on Azure data engineering, completely Azure data engineering, then I would suggest to go for this course. Okay, and if you already know little bit ADF, if you already know little bit Azure Logic App, then definitely you go, and definitely you will love this course. Okay, now we have another course called deep dive, build data lake real-time project. Okay, and then you can see about the courses, all these stories I have written, and then here we have 2 modules. Now this course is particular for those guys who know PySpark little bit, and they want to go deep into a delta lake. Okay, what is delta lake? So this is a module 1 which I have covered. Okay, everything is covered over here, and then we have this module 2. Okay, that is end-to-end project, and the content is 14 hours. You can see we have everything over here, right? And then this is a complete video which tells you about the which tells you about the curriculum, or the architecture, and so you can click over here and see. Now this is Master in Azure Data Factory course. This is I am building currently. Currently I believe we have around close to 6 hours of content is available, and all these are the basic. I would not say this is a very basic. It's a kind of basic plus intermediate level. Till now, we have. Now in this video, in this course, I am covering an introduction to Azure Data Factory. Module 1 will be interview questions of Azure Data Factory. All these things I have covered. See, if you see, I have covered everything about the copy activity, every scenario, almost every scenario. I'm not saying completely scenario I have covered, but almost 90% scenarios I have covered. Okay, you can see copy, SQL table, link service, copy activity, SQL table to ADLS, and so. Right, then these are the scenario based question. I just uploaded 2. Okay, and in the another module, I'm just covering out Azure Data Factory end-to-end project. This will be a 1 or 2 project I will be covering over here. It will take some time. Not by end of November I will try to complete this ADF course also, because I need to think about the logics, I need to think about the architecture, and so it takes some time. Here also you can see a Diwali 15 promo code. You can use this and get 50% off, 15% off. Then we have this Master in Python with data structure. This is a basic course, not basic course I would say. If you want to build your logics and logical thinking using Python programming, then you can take this course. Also we have explained about the data structures and other stuff. You can see that content is 20 hours, close to 21 hours, 42 sessions. So this is enough. If you want to learn Python, then I would suggest to go and check out. The fees is very minimal, very minimal. Cool. Now we have Databricks PySpark real-time scenarios interview question series. Here if you can go, then you can see we have around 5 hours of content. Yeah, it is close to 5 hours of content, but I will be uploading maybe 3-4 more videos in near future. Now you can see interview question on CSV file type, miscellaneous interview questions. You can see all these questions we have it. Then Python and PySpark framework. I also included unit testing, right? Schema validation framework. Then we have problem solving, all this stuff we have. Then PySpark unit testing using PySpark. or PyTest, sorry, introduction of PyTest, build your first package, write PyTest, integrate PyTest, test case in ci pipeline, and so see everything I am covering in these courses. And definitely I know till now 90% people have liked these courses. Some has given me 4 stars, some has given me 5 star, some maybe there are some guys who do not like the course because their basics are not clear, or maybe they wanted something else and they purchased this course. Now maybe if you are watching this video, you are clear what to take, what not to take, right? And definitely prices are very discounted price. I would recommend whoever is watching my video, whoever liking my videos in data engineering, ADF, and so definitely check out these courses. Just invest some money, just a token money. It is like, and definitely you will get a good hike if you prepare the project, or project, I would say. If you prepare a project in a good way, wherever I'm telling you, just write down some, make a notes. And if you say the same story, or maybe if you apply the same thing in your current company, current organization, definitely you will get a good hike. I'm like 90% sure you will get some idea, or more idea, how to automate the things, how to reduce the cost and other stuff. Okay, so chalo, let's celebrate the Diwali, and we'll meet you in the next lecture, next course. I hope that you guys will enjoy the Diwali. And yeah, chalo, we'll wind up this video. And I hope that you are liking my courses, my YouTube channel videos and other stuff. Definitely in coming videos, in coming days, I will be preparing more videos, more lectures, more podcasts, and everything I will be doing. Chalo, thank you, bye bye, happy Diwali.